we can also graph circles from given equations. Let's check out some examples. Okay, example 1, we have x minus 2 squared plus y plus 6 squared equals 9. So we're doing the same thing we did in the last task, finding the center and the radius. Remember to switch those signs. So this is a negative 2, going to become a positive 2 here. This is a positive 6, going to become a negative 6 here. Okay, and then again to get our radius, we look at this 9, we take the square root of 9, and we get 3 for our radius. Awesome. So now this is a different part. We're going to be graphing this equation. So how we're going to do this is we are going to first plot the center, okay? So I'm going to go over 2, down 6, which is right here. There's my center point. And then we want to go up, right, left, and down the radius, okay? So I'm going to count up 3 from the center. 1, 2, 3, put a point there. Okay, and then I'm going to start back at the center again, and I'm going to go to the right 3. 1, 2, 3, there's my point. Again, start back at the center, and we're going to go down 3. 1, 2, 3. Oops. And one last time, we're going to go back to the center, and we're going to go left 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now this kind of looks like a diamond, but we're going to want to sketch a circle shape around, okay, using those 4 points on the outside. So try your best to sketch the circle. I'm not the best drawer. That's okay if you're not either, but just try to connect those 4 points in a circular shape. We have our center in the middle. Looks great. All right, one more example together. So example 2, it's x squared plus y squared equals 81. We know whenever there's no numbers with the x or y that it's just simply 0, 0 as our center or the origin. Okay? For the radius, let's look at 81. We're going to take the square root of 81, and we get 9. Okay, now we have our 2 pieces to graph. Again, remember we're starting to graph the center first. So I'm going to put a point at 0, 0. There's my center. And now we're going to move 9 places up, down, left, and right from the center. So I'm going to start to the right. I'm going to go 9 to the right. Here it is. There's my point. Now I'm going to go up 9 from the center. There it is. Now I'm going to go left 9. There's my point. And down 9. Perfect. Once we have all 5 points plotted, let's do our best to sketch our circular shape, connecting the 4 on the outside, okay? So I'm going to start at the top here. And again, just do your best to make it as circular as possible. You can see I'm not the greatest at this. It's okay. And there we go. That's how we graph circles from given equations.